to roll. There are 10 flight attendants on board to serve you at this time. I'd like to kindly ask you please direct your attention to the monitors throughout the cabin. We will be presenting some very important safety information regarding our Boeing 787
Is that standard for pilots?
I'm not sure, actually. That's a good question. Yeah.
Fine with me.
Yeah, I mean...
Please give your attention to my colleagues as they share important safety information with a few familiar sights along the way.
If you haven't already done so, please fasten your seatbelt. Insert the flat end into the buckle and pull it tight. To release, lift the top portion of the buckle and pull away. Seatbelt should be worn while evacuation sleds can be detached and lose its wraps in the event of a water landing. In an evacuation, leave all stairs items behind. Carry-ons may block the aisles and damage the slide.
Electronic devices may be used anytime during the flight. Devices with transmittal features must be placed in airplane mode. However, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi usage are allowed. During flight, if your electronic device falls under or between your seat, please do not adjust your seat. Ask a flight attendant for assistance.
For guests in our seat cabin, please ensure your foot and leg rests are stowed, armrests lowered, vanity mirror closed, wireless phone charger cleared, and seat door is secured open. If you're seated next to the window will be set to clear for takeoff. Your flight seat call button and radio line controls are located on the touchscreen or near your seat.
You're doing the water cannon salute.
Thank you.
You're doing the water cannon salute.
Alaska Airlines.
On behalf of Alaska Airlines,
Oh, yeah.
thank you. We hope you enjoy your flight.
Here, can you see okay?
Oh, God, I missed it. That's so cool.
Woo! Of course.
When you're finished, would you mind sending me a copy of that?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Do you have an iPhone?
I do.
Okay, I'll airdrop you the whole departure and the pictures and everything.
They're dropping it to me?
Yeah,
Do I know how to do that? Right?
Oh, I could figure it out. But if not, I could if you have an iPhone, I could iMessage it to you and we're connected to Wi-Fi when we land.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, absolutely.
I should have said something.
I got photos. I can, if any of you have iPhone, I can airdrop it to you when we land. Yeah. Here we go.
I might try to thank you for that water cannon video.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Once we get in the air, actually, I don't know if we can do it. Yeah, we probably can. Because no internet is needed for it.
Oh, look at it. He says lots of people on Flight Radar 24 are tracking you all.
That's so cool.
Looks like you make it a remote gate in Rome. That's a good thing there's no rain forecast.
Might get a what in Rome?
Remote gate, you know, where you
Oh, yeah,
get
yeah,
off
yeah.
and get on a bus.
Oh, that's cool.
So guys, look at this. I don't know how he knows this, but he sent pictures of Flight Radar. So how does he know how many people are tracking us over there?
Maybe it says the total amount. All right, here we go.
Flights in this plane. 780HA. That's this plane.
Yeah, it was marked as a Hawaiian flight, but it was this aircraft. Yeah, they go to Honolulu a lot.
So there's something about this picture that he sent me that tells him how many people are tracking us. I can't tell. Do you use Flight Radar?
No, I usually just do Flight Aware. Oh, here we go. I think Flight Radar you have to pay for. Flight Aware is free.
It is kind of cool to think about how they all came out of here.
So
a bit because it's probably pretty full of